Here's where we're at after one day. This is the CRM app we're building this week. To start, we open up to the analytics dashboard. We get this view as an admin. Here we can see the tickets, the categorization of the tickets, as well as the distribution. We get a preview of recent tickets and as well as the teams that we've created. We can log out and show that authentication is working. Um, we can also invite agents. Uh, the agent flow, a little buggy for accepting the invitation, but it does go out nonetheless. So we can see the invitation sent successfully, gets created as a customer and agent. We can open up the email that we get. So right now it's redirecting to localhost. It's not hooked up with prod yet. So if I go here, um, the site will refuse to connect. But yeah, the invitations are working locally. Um, so moving on from that, we have ticket creation. I opted to go the unauthorized customer support side where users can submit tickets on a portal, and this gets submitted onto our CRM through the tickets dashboard. So if a customer enters their email, let's say I have a test one right here, and mentions something about um, a refund. They can submit the ticket, and then we'll get a nice little pop up here saying it was submitted successfully, and they get a email notification saying that they have submitted the ticket, and then we can go here to our CRM and see that the ticket pops up. The cool part about this is that the customer can actually reply directly on the email. We've integrated with SendGrid using edge functions. We have two here, one to send the email and one to handle the reply. So if the customer says, never mind, and sends it off, we should see, I might have to refresh here. If we give it a moment for the fetch function to handle the reply, while that's going on, we can show off the um, categorization of tickets so we can set them as open. We can change the urgency. Since they said never mind, we can put it to low. We can also assign it to agents. Right now, I'll assign it to the admin that I've created, but uh, agents can go in and review the tickets and add their own custom notes. So, and then we can close the ticket, and that gets closed out. We see that accurately reflected on the dashboard. So we have one open ticket left. None of them are high priority, and that is that. And the final feature, which is still in development, is creating teams. We can create maybe like a finance team, and add that team there. And we can't currently add any members, still working on that. But if you wanted to assign a ticket to the finance team, that works. Um, and Yep, I think that is it for the features. So just basic ticket creation through the anonymous portal. I opted for that so we can have multiple front ends at the end of the week. Mobile can hit this endpoint and also have CRM integration, as well as other interfaces. But for right now, this is what we have. And yeah, that's it for now.